That feels great, man. Yeah. Cooling me down.
Right?
Perfect. I was sweating, man. I took my jacket off. The wind is awesome.
And I keep blowing down the road.
For those on that side of the
I
fire.
ain't got me nobody.
And here's your hat, too. Wow, this wind really picked up.
It's a northeast wind now.
Woo, baby.
45, I'm a part of this.
Yeah, your hat, too. Yeah, hat. You look like a girl from Sweden with your...
Oh, no, I don't. Do you want to look at it?
Like a little Swedish girl. Where are you?
Is there 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Like a little
Why'd you just look at it?
They're braids, right? Alright. So, where you put the oven really does matter.
South side, old Chicago.
So, if you're downwind, that side will burn and the rest will be raw. So, you have to kind of be strategic.
You better just beware.
Opening up the fire to get to the embers. That's a good one. I'll put that on top. This big chunk.
Daddy, can you put this up?
Not right now. Alright, I'm gonna pull some embers out of there.
Dry now, man.
It's already cranking hot.
Hey, baby. It's really dry.
Yeah, she's gonna get burned.
Watch out. Yeah.
Ow,
Oh, man,
ow.
dude. That's...
Oh,
Feel it?
big sissy.
How warm he is? Yeah. Want some nummies, though. I'll take it. I'm good, man. That's a cheesecake. Actually, yeah, I'll try one. I'll try one.
Right. Got a little bit of embers. Screaming hot. Screaming hot. Woo, baby.
I'd break that right now.
I don't know. Cooking a couple of minutes, huh?
Yeah, like an hour.
Yeah, they work, man.
Alright, I saved this for the top. I like putting a couple hefty ones up there.
Just around it with heat and use to like grab it.
And then I put some more
Nice.
small pieces.
Oh, it's hot, huh? Hey, baby. Yeah. Yeah, it's only a matter of time.
Yeah, the animals are like, what are you doing?
Yeah, no,
Get
she
me
was
outta
getting
here.
hot and started realizing there was nowhere to go.
Yep, it's only gonna get worse.
That's only gonna get better.
The heat.
Oh.
It's only temporary, actually.
That's a block of
Oh,
wood.
yes.
Every
Yeah,
time
you're
I
man.
it burns them all. Except for when my knees are
It's all
back.
birch. There's oak, maple. Oh yeah, we did get some maple too.
Now you can use firewood to pick this up. You can use a shovel to pick this up. If you got leather gloves, use your hands.
Whoa.
Get it off fast, you're alright.
Oh, man. Thank you. They're good though. I like them. Yeah, I'll have some more.
You the man.
Embers underneath, embers above.
Embers all around.
Yep. Alright, so across that field there are some cans. What do you think? Give it a shot at night by headlamp? Yeah. Ooh. Nipped it. Oh. The worst is when you barely miss. It's like the biggest miss. Oh. That's tough, man. Ooh. Rough. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oof. It's hard to see because, like, my headlamp.
Remember when we did it? And
I can't really see both sights and that. Yeah, you can't see all three. It's hard.
One of us lit the sight, the other one was lighting the target.
Yeah, it's like my eyes are blown out. It's so bright in front of me. Oh yeah, baby.
Is that dead accurate? Or
No, I gotta play with it. Nice.
man, that was amazing.
Nice, Nick. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. You can see the BB go right by it. Nice, man.
How many times can you pump that?
I don't know, I only do 3 so I don't break it. Oh, rough. I get one more.
Yeah!
That's the one.
What was that?
You just gotta pull it back every time.
Yeah, 3 pumps.
Oh, 3 pumps every time?
Yeah. 3 pumps, then pull it back. 1, 2, 3. Alright, all the way back.
Tip it, if you tip it up a little bit too, that helps because the way the chamber is the BBs work.
Alright, now.
You see once you push it forward.
So
push
real
it forward.
slow. There you go. See it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'm done.
I smell blueberries. Let's check it out. Just gonna have a little look-see. Ooh, she's a bubbling. She's a bubbling brew.
Sean.
Bubbling brew.
How much does that kettlebell weigh?
Bubbling blue.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's blue.
Surgical.
Just the
Looking brown, baby. Looking brown.
Oh yeah. I think she's
It's
done.
almost
I think
ready.
so. Usually don't get it that brown, so we'll
How's
see
that
what
working
happens.
out, Mitch?
Might be there. Looks good to me.
Did it work out? It didn't burn on that side this time, did it?
No.
Having that fire protector or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Remember we shot, I brought my 308.
It was hot on top, dude. Yeah, the embers are still good. It's a little more brown than usual, but the consistency is right on the money.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells.
Clean stick
Ooh,
too.
baby.
What's in the middle there?
It touched the
The knob.
I love
The handle,
Interesting.
which it never has before.
Yeah, so that whatever you use rises a
It's a
lot
bun
more.
cake.
Yeah.
Looks like a bun cake.
Yep.
Alrighty, we are there, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow.
We are
That's a lot
beautiful.
faster, too.
That was a lot
Boy, I
faster.
guess we gotta call Joe.
Look at all those waste.
Hey, Joe!
What's wrong?
Hey, yo, Polly! I'm with your sister!
Where are
Really good. Everybody is.
Everyone's like waiting in line.
For what? The food?
Yep.
Is it ready?
Hey,
It's done.
Sean,
No shit.
this is really good stuff.
I'm sure. I'm a patient
I remember
man.
last time, and
When
I'm like,
Mitch offers it to me, I'll take it.
back there for some of that. That's right up my alley.
Doug's been talking about your bread for the past 3 years, Mitch.
3 years.
Yep.
Alright, let's check it out.
All night long.
And I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember the last pond rare that we had,
I
the
think
last
you know.
rendezvous? It was so really good.
Is the camera on?
I hope not. Okay, let's do it. Dun 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 dun.
Splitting chain?
All right,
This fire's so hot.
Yeah.
dude, this fire's screaming hot. Yeah.
Yeah, let's put this over
And
here
that
a little
looks
bit.
sweet.
Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, it looks a lot better now.
Daddy?
What?
The inside reminds me like that part.
No, I'm gonna grab another piece
That
of firewood.
part reminds me of taco meat.
Interesting. It's like a blueberry cobbler or something. I don't know what you'd call it, but it's like pie filling, kind of.
Almost looks like a pudding.
Almost.
Bread pudding? Blueberry bread pudding?
All right, that is yours, my dear. It is really hot, so be careful. You guys got butter in the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay then.
Just a couple steps ahead of us, you know?
Mm-hmm. That stick I put in wasn't enough for Joe.
I'm a
You only
couple
put one
runs
stick?
behind,
Nah, that's not enough.
He's living in the 2020 Randy right now.
This is where we're at right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, gather around.
Mm-hmm. See that? That is some good stuff right there. Blueberry, banana, happy. I just hope it's good. Because it's different than usual.
Why?
Because I used a different liquid. I had to make my own because that company stopped making the one I used.
Oh.
So I had to kind of play some jazz. Who else is up, man? I don't see any containers.
Oh, well, get in there.
Dude, molten banana. It's gonna be awful.
Yeah, you guys don't want any. Don't
No.
look too good.
No,
Go to bed, will you?
yeah. You look exhausted.
Burn my mouth so many times. Burnable, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems very, very hot.
Any left in there, Mitch?
Yeah, I got one piece left for you, right?
Yeah, throw me a little chunk right in there. Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you.
Does it feel warmer to you than last time? Yeah. I think it tastes better though.
Yeah, better
Like
than usual.
the blueberries and banana, you taste more.
Cool. Yeah, a little different than usual.
I like the juice, but you probably have to use less of it if you make it yourself. You know what I mean?
It's a little more liquid, a little darker, and the liquid had more blueberry in it than
Yeah.
the one from the store.
Yeah, you can tell. That must be why it's darker.
Yeah, it's just a little different.
A little gauche.
I'm glad.
Really good.
Well, that's good. Glad to hear it.
What's
You
that?
sitting next to me now?
No, I'm gonna sit on you.
What?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah, the consistency is less cake-like. too.
Yeah, more like bread pudding.
Yep.
More like a pudding.
Yep.
Bread pudding.
Instead
Pudding.
of a cake. Instead of a muffin.
Jack up for
Kind of
pudding.
pudding. That's good shit. Foul food. Right to bed.
Sleep like a baby.
Hot, huh?
I think I'm going
No.
to bed. I'll see you all in the morning then, huh?
All right, sleep well.
Nice job, Mitch. Thank you.
Thank you. Glad you liked it. Don't fall.
Not even hot.
Oh, it is.
Aces.
Eva?
Aces, he says.
Aces.
Nice.
Eva?
Like 4 of them, dude.
With 4 of them. 4 of them, he says.
Four of them of
It is
what?
pretty good.
Four of what?
I think your camera's still rolling.
Yeah, I was trying to get us all kind of hanging out and eating kind of thing.
Alright.
All right, guys, sleep well.
Thank you. Well, you too, Sophie.
Sorry, I'm smoked out by the smoke.
Stuff like caked on the sides. It's pretty awesome.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The cake.
It's like crackling. It's a little dry. Good though.
Is there more left?
Half a spoon.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I'm just eating the stuff kind of stuck on right now.
Yeah. That's the good stuff though.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh.
You want to try that? Go
Yeah.
for it, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it, bud.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh man. Mm.
Yep.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's good stuff right there.
That was pretty good.
You want that last bread chunk on top?
It's small. I'm going that. Get it, Susie, this forward.
Want the last bread piece on top there?
All right, man. See you in the morning.
You got it.
Mitch, it was great.
Good.
Always a pleasure to eat that.
Good.
I would attempt it at home, but I would fail miserably.
I feel like I barely passed. I've made it a lot better in the past.
No, it's good. I like the new mix. I think if you cut back on the juice a little bit,
I
it'd
put
be a
too
little
much.
more like cake, less like
Yep.
bread pudding. But
Yeah.
either way, the taste was better, in my opinion.
I think the taste is better. That's
something
spot
you
on,
can't
but I
really
put too
change
much
if you don't
liquid,
change the
and
ingredients.
it's just too wet.
You know, you can't change the taste if you don't change the ingredients. So you can only mess up the ingredients. You know.
Yep. I think
Getting the
flavor.
taste would be better, and having to tweak the ingredients. That's not a big deal.
Can we go to
Yeah.
bed?
Yep, we can go to bed. All I have to do is put this with this. Because that was too little. It was definitely too.
I feel like
It was like pie filling almost, you know.
Yeah.
Daddy, I feel like underneath this, I'm in short sleeves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put her to bed. I'm gonna come back. It's the last night. I'm probably gonna like drink some whiskey and
Yeah.
stuff. Like,
I'm not tired yet, man.
like this
we need
is-
to bullshit a little bit.
like if we don't hang out, like
Yeah.
it's too bad, you know.
Well,
It doesn't happen now. Like everyone's leaving tomorrow.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah. Go on. You guys want to hang? I'm down.
I'm down to
A little bit left in me.
Cool.
I'm
Me
not
too.
tired yet.
That food that kind of gave me another win too.